Hello everybody, and happy Halloween. Welcome back to Tracylifestyle Thursday, and I am Tracy Lifestyle. Today we are a half angel and half devil. That's my horn. I'm not doing the whole, little outfit, but this is as much as I did. It's something I already had. Kept the black strap. I know that bothers some of y'all, but half devil, half angel. This side, I, curled my hair just a little bit. I waved it, and I did it with this. The whole thing rubbed off. But this is Remington, one of their little ceramic straighteners, and you can also curl with it. I didn't curl it too obviously much because my hair is short. It's a line, but it's growing out, And if you're enjoying this makeup and you would like to know how I got this look, please stay tuned because we are just gonna go right into it. And of course, we did the nails too. Are you ready? Here we go. Alrighty, y'all, so obviously we kept the hairdo now, okay? And we have our face makeup on, the eyebrows and all that to skip to it. Let's begin with the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna start in with the devil side, and this weird devil, this is our little horn. And I'm gonna start with the Ace Beauty palette, okay? And I even did my nails. I didn't finish this side, obviously, but isn't that cute? Okay, and then I did this side. This is the angel side. Cute, huh? Cute, I know. First color we're gonna go in with is Poppy, right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put this all over the eyelid. And it's gonna be another kind of like cut crease type of thing, right? Because then we're gonna do black eyeliner. Any red eyeshadow will do, okay? Like that, okay, with a clean brush. Light hand and blend out the edges. Then with a small little brush like this, we're gonna go in with patchouli, right there. We're gonna go ahead and put this where the white part of our lid would be. Alrighty, and so then once you have that in, it should look something like that. Blend the edges just a little bit more because you can never go wrong with a little bit too much blending. And we bring it out just a little bit, as a little wing, because we are going to add a wing in a little bit. But now we're going to move on to this side. And with the Too Faced chocolate bar, we're going to go ahead blueberry swirl, right? And with another different brush, we're going to pick that up. And we're going to do it right there in the crease. This is a glittery, shimmery color. There might be fall, so we're going to try to just tap it. Okay, bring that out just like this one. It's like, what are you supposed to be, Harley Quinn? I mean, technically she is kind of an angel devil thing because, like she was a good person and then she got curious. Grab the same thing color and then put it on your lid. Of course, we're gonna make this side a little bit more angelic, so it's gonna have more like glitter. With Jasmine right here, we're gonna also pick that up and we're gonna put that on the angel side. And of course, we're gonna have to blend out the corners real quick. We're gonna grab peanut butter right here, pick that up, and then we're gonna blend out the edges on this side. So you don't want too much colors on the angel side. Right, once you have both eyes, now we're gonna go ahead and do the eyeliner. So this side, we're gonna do black eyeliner. This side, we're gonna do blue eyeliner. Those are two different blues, but it is okay. I don't know, should I put glitter on the side instead? Now we're gonna have to do the bottoms, of course. For the angel side, go ahead and line it, but only halfway, okay? So the other side, we're gonna go ahead and with a little thin brush and grab Poppy again, and we're gonna go on the bottom right here. I've been loving this palette, so we gotta use it again. But with Tarte, with the Solstice and Sun colors, we are gonna go on the bottom. Okay, and then same thing with the other eye. In the actual waterline, we're gonna go ahead and go in with Urban Decay's Torch. So I'm gonna go in with the gold color. We're gonna go ahead and put some glitter, of course. Y'all know I wear this color like all the freaking time. So you're gonna go ahead and put that in the tear ducts. Okay. Okay, but yeah. And I know this is a pink glitter, but it shows just as good, so we're gonna go ahead and put fireworks. I mean, it's called fireworks. I'm gonna put that in the devil side. Okay. Nice and extreme. Got to be. It's Halloween. I tell you, I can freaking be a rapper. Okay, so, and that was in the Purr palette, of course. Okay, so we went ahead and popped on some eyelashes. Okay, of course that adds even more to the look. So now we're gonna add on some mascara. This is from Tarte Big Ego. Super bright pink, love it. And we're gonna put that on the base of the lashes to bind your natural and your falsies. And I do like to bring it just a little bit to the top. That's my trick to make it look a little bit more natural. And then I'll brush back the end or the back of the lashes like that. With nothing on your brush, of course. It's whatever you brought up to the top. Okay, and of course, go back in with the colors just to make sure everything is there. You know what I'm saying? Tops. So I don't know, with blue color, sometimes it can make you look really tired. And so now here comes the fun part, right? So we're gonna go in with the 24/7 Urban Decay. It's a lip pencil, okay, in 714. And I'm not too sure if they still have it or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the horns on the eyebrows and then do a little tail right here. And then what I'm gonna do is outline that a little bit too, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the wing. It's the lightest hand ever. So what we did was go over with the black eyeliner, and we did the outline of it and then darken the little tail up a little. And now we gotta go on to the halo side. So we're gonna use another palette, Jaclyn Hill's Morphe palette, and with the color VIP, this white glitter color right here, make the halo. We're gonna put it right above the arch of our eyebrow. That was almost perfect. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. And I'm gonna put a little bit of that color into the eyelid as well. Much better. Now, with a silver eyeliner from Urban Decay as well, this is in Cuff, and we're gonna go ahead and draw that a little bit better, okay? Everybody does kind of like a little glowing to it. I have a gold eyeliner pencil, and this is in Goldmine, also by Urban Decay's 24/7. I just love Urban Decay's stuff. Okay, and we're gonna kind of like outline it with this. Halo's like glow, you know? So that's pretty satisfactory to me. I'm gonna join Guilt Trip with Coin, these two colors, and I'm gonna go over that as well. Now on to the lips. We're going to go ahead and line first. For the other side, we're just gonna do nude. Of course, we must outline first. Okay. And this is gonna be a little tiny lip liner that's left from Makeup Forever. Of course, with Anastasia, I got a whole bunch of other lipstick on it. This is called Stripped, and we're gonna put this in the center on Angel side. With also Anastasia, Beverly Hills. This is in the color Seraphine, and we're gonna fill in the lips on the devil side. I love her lipsticks. Okay, you guys, and that's pretty much it. We got the halo, super bright, of course. You gotta do all that extra white stuff on this side to glow more. Then this side is, you know, normal, but of course the darker look. How do you guys like it? I love the half lip thing. I think it's cute. If you guys like to, you can add like a little bit gloss in the center for both, or just on this side. I think that'd be cute. But for me, I'm just gonna leave it like that. I did add some of the white VIP color into the tear duct. You know, and added a little bit more right there, so that way it's more bright and white on this side. And then this side, you know, we kept it pretty much just like that. Half devil, half angel. Okay, but that's pretty much it for our Halloween 2019 half angel, half devil look. So if you guys did enjoy this look as much as I enjoyed making it, please give me a thumbs up. Share this video to everybody just in case y'all want to have some ideas for Halloween parties. I know Halloween's today and everything, but you know, there's the weekend and people still have parties and stuff. But, you know, or for next year, who cares? Yeah, and then this is just the at-home type of look. Of course, like I said, you know, you can actually put on wings, which I might do later. I don't know yet. If they have like a half black, half white, that'd be so cute. If you don't want to invest and just want to do makeup, this is it. And if you haven't subscribed to me yet already, then please do so now. Hit the little bell notifications. That way you're staying in tuned every single time that I post a video. And I promise there's so much more content to come. You know, it's Halloween time, so we had to do all the makeup looks to get it out there. But yeah, until next time, y'all, I will see you later.